We should cure ourselves of the diseases of karma, afflictions, and sufferings by following a skillful doctor, our qualified teacher, by pleasing and serving thee in 3 ways: by fully following the teacher's words, and by taking the medicine of the Dharma. Only through this can we eradicate the disease of karma and suffering. We should always vow to try our very best to follow the Guru, serve and please the Guru, and practice the Dharma throughout the rest of this life. Please make sure you remain wise and alert so you can discern the difference between a qualified teacher and a charlatan. After examining the Guru and being assured that they are a qualified teacher, you can rely on them like a patient relies on a great doctor. By doing so, you can eradicate the disease of afflictions. On the other hand, following a teacher, even after many years without putting the teaching into real practice, is like rejecting your doctor's prescriptions, which leaves no opportunity for the teacher to treat your illness.